Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another function of Python, which is copysign. Copysign function takes two arguments as an input parameter, and for those two arguments, it calculates the magnitude of the value x plus the sign value of y. Okay, so here for all the scenarios we have passed two values as it is expected, like the value x and the value y. So as a result, what it will return? It will return the magnitude of x and sign value of y. Okay. So to use this function, first of all, we need to import one math module. So here on line number 6, we are importing the module, which is math module. And then we are using the function for a couple of scenarios. So we will start one by one with each scenario. We'll see how we are providing the value, input value, and what output it is returning. So for the first scenario, we are using result variable to store the output which is returned by the copysign function. So to use this function, we just need to write math.copysign and then we can pass two values which is x and y. So if you take your mouse cursor on this function, it will show return a float with the magnitude of x but the sign of y. Okay. So here as a x value we are providing 5 and as a y value we are providing 7. So let's see, and then we are printing the result simply using print function. So let's see what value it is printing. So I am running the command python space session 92.py. Once I hit enter, you can see it is printing the first value as 5.0. Okay. Now look at the second scenario. In second scenario, we are using the same syntax. The only change we did here is the magnitude values, or you can say parameter value, not the magnitude value, parameter value. So as a x, we are providing minus 3.5, which is negative decimal value, and as a y, we are providing minus 9.2, which is negative, uh, which is again negative decimal value. So what it will do, it will calculate the magnitude of value minus 3.5 plus sign value of minus 9.2. So output is minus 3.5. So this is the comment portion. I have also mentioned here the comment, whatever the value it is returning. Now look at the third scenario. In third scenario, one value we are passing as a negative and other one is as a positive. So you can see for the minus 2.3x and 8.9y, it is returning the output as 2.3, which is the magnitude of x and sign value of y. Now look at the fourth scenario. In fourth scenario, we are using this function and we are providing the value as 4.7 and 0. So here you can see the y value is 0 and the x value is 4.7. So when we calculate the magnitude of x and sign value of y, the output it is returning is 4.7. Okay, so this is how we can easily utilize this copy sign function in order to calculate the magnitude and sign value of y. I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session, we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.